The internet is often linked to an iceberg, the surface web, the portion we interact with daily, and it represents only the visible tip. Beneath it lies the vast expanse of the deep web and the more enigmatic dark web, hidden layers inaccessible through conventional search engines like Google or Bing. One of the key tools for navigating the dark web is the Torch search engine, a specialized platform designed to explore .onion domains within the Tor network. What is the Torch search engine? Torch is one of the oldest and most widely used search engines on the dark web. It operates exclusively within the Tor network, short for the Onion router, and is specifically built to index and provide access to .onion websites. Unlike traditional search engines, Torch focuses on the hidden layers of the internet where anonymity is paramount for both users and site operators. Founded with the goal of making the dark web more navigable, Torch now boasts over 1 million index.onion pages. It serves as a vital resource for individuals seeking to explore the hidden corners of the internet, offering a search experience similar to Google, but specifically tailored for anonymity and privacy. Features of the Torch search engine. 1. Extensive indexing. Torch is renowned for its extensive database of .onion websites. This makes it a valuable tool for anyone trying to find specific information on the dark web, ranging from legitimate content to fewer savory offerings. Its vast index is one of the reasons it's often referred to as the Google of the dark web. 2. User-friendly interface. Despite being part of the complex and often intimidating dark web, Torch features a simple and straightforward interface. Users can easily input search queries and browse through results with minimal friction, making it accessible even to those new to the Tor network. Its clean layout strips away unnecessary distractions, focusing purely on functionality. 3. Anonymity. Torch aligns with the Tor network's core principle of preserving user anonymity. Both the person conducting the search and the websites being accessed remain hidden behind layers of encryption. This makes Torch a favored tool among privacy enthusiasts, activists, journalists, and anyone seeking to browse without being tracked. 4. No filters. Unlike mainstream search engines that apply filters based on algorithms, ethical guidelines, or regional laws, Torch provides unfiltered search results. This can be a valuable asset for researchers, investigators, and those seeking uncensored information. However, it also comes with a caveat. Users may encounter illegal, disturbing, or harmful content. Caution and discretion are strongly advised. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy what you've seen. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share the video.